Hi, my name's John from Texotherm Systems and welcome to part one of a 4-part video series where I'll be breaking down each one of our professional equipment packs. So join me in part one, the EMV Professional Carpet Cleaner Machine plus Tools Pack. If you're brand new to the industry, I would highly recommend going and checking out our new startup pack. I've left a link to that video in the description below. The EMV Professional Carpet Cleaner Machine plus Tools Pack. This pack has really been designed for the established professional that already has sprayers, brushes, etc. and is just looking to upgrade their machine and tools. So with this pack, you'll be able to professionally clean carpets, upholstery, mattresses and other soft furnishings using hot water extraction. So let's take a look at what you get inside the EMV plus Tools Pack. The EMV 201 Professional Carpet Cleaner Machine. Now, the EMV is currently the world's most advanced professional carpet cleaner machine on the market. Not only does it come with a list of really cool industry first features that you won't be able to get anywhere else, it also is a multi-system machine, meaning that you can clean using multiple methods all from the one unit. If you'd like to learn more about the EMV itself, I have a complete breakdown video, which again I will link in the description. Next up is your stainless steel twin jet wand. In this pack you will also receive your solution/recovery hose. Now the industry standard 7.5 meter hoses we've always found to be too short, so our hoses are 10 meters as standard. We use quick release precision fittings on our hoses and tools. If you have existing tools that you would like to use with the EMV, no problem, we can adapt them for you. You will get a detail hand tool with a 2 meter width for stairs, upholstery, car valeting, etc. And last up is the EMV full transceiver remote control. Now this isn't an on-off switch remote like you'll see on a lot of the other machines out there. This is a full transceiver remote, which means you'll be able to control your heat, pump, vacuum on, vacuum 2 and your display on-off all individually.